para iayon ng gobyerno sa inaasahan ng mga tao at muling i-calibrate ang kanyang administrasyon kasunod ng resulta ng 2025 midterm elections. Sinabi ni Presidential Communications Office Undersecretary Claire Castro na ang kahilingan para sa courtesy resignations ay naglalayong bigyan ng Pangulo ng panahon para suriin ang performance ng bawat departamento. Nais ding matukoy ng Pangulo kung sino ang patuloy na maglilingkod at isunod sa recalibrated priority ng kanyang administrasyon.
With this bold reset, the Marcos administration signals a new phase, sharper, faster, and fully focused on the people's most pressing needs. So, hindi na po siguro natin ikakagulat ang pagtawag po ng courtesy resignation ng Pangulo sa kanyang mga cabinet secretaries, heads of agencies with cabinet rank, other heads of agencies, and presidential advisors and assistants.
Good morning, you are watching Siento por Siento.
Ilang oras matapos ang kautusan ni Pangulong BBM na courtesy resignation para sa mga miyembro ng kanyang gabinete, agad na tumugon ng ilang kalihim ng Pangulo. Kabilang dito sina Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, Education Secretary Sonny Angara, Foreign Affairs Secretary Enrique Manalo, Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla, Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr., Finance Secretary Ralph Recto, Environment and Natural Resources Secretary Maria Antonia Yulo Loizaga, Energy Secretary Rafael Lotilla, Trade Secretary Maria Cristina Roque, Transportation Secretary Vince Dizon, Social Welfare and Development Secretary Rex Gatchalian, Agriculture Secretary Francisco Tiu Laurel Jr., Human Settlements and Urban Development Secretary Jose Rizalino Acuzar, Interior and Local Government Secretary John Vic Remulla, Health Secretary Ted Herbosa, Presidential Communications Office Secretary J. Ruiz, Migrant Workers Secretary Hans Kakdak, Labor Secretary Bienvenido Laguesma, Tourism Secretary Cristina Frasco, Agrarian Reform Secretary Conrado Estrella III, Information and Communications Technology Secretary Henry Roel Aguda, National Secretary o Security Advisor Eduardo Año, Presidential Legislative Liaison Office Chief Mark Mendoza, Presidential Management Staff Secretary Elaine, Commission of Filipinos Overseas Secretary Dante, ang OWA Administration T. Kawunan, Special Assistant to the President for Investment and Economic Affairs Frederick Go, Presidential Advisor for Poverty Alleviation Larry Gadon, ARTA Director General Ernesto Perez, Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Juan Ponce Enrile, CEZH Chief Katrina Ponce Enrile, Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation and Unity Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr., Special Assistant to the President Antonio Lagdameo Jr. Samantala, 6 na opisyal naman ang nagpahayag ng kanilang intensyon na magsumite ng courtesy resignations. Sila ay sina Economy Planning and Development Secretary Arsenio Balisacan, Budget Secretary Amena Pangandaman, Science and Technology Secretary Renato Solidum, Solicitor General Menardo Guevara, Metropolitan Manila Development Authority Chairperson Don Artes, TESDAC Director General Secretary Kiko Benitez.